begin. Okay, here we are at the end of our day's work. Today is November 2nd, and we're gonna recap kind of what's been done. So nothing's been done more in this room, the front room. Nothing's been done more in this room, other than check some boxes to see what stuff we've got. This is still the way it was. This has changed dramatically. We've gotten rid of the dropped ceiling. You can see the ceiling we have is in fantastic shape. And Eileen's been whittling away at removing tile, but that's all gonna come down. And there's the framing materials and some of the drywall, etc., that came out of the bathroom. And then this really hasn't changed. And this really hasn't changed. But this has really changed. The wall came down, as you saw. And so we now have a porch. And we have the ceiling out. This is a temporary support structure to hold this beam. And that's the same over there because there's no post for that wall right now as there is right here. So that is my temporary post holding up those to keep this side up while we work on everything else. So that's where we're at here. To give you an idea what it looks like from the outside. Finished product. It's going to be something like that. Little breezeway running across. So our dumpster's pretty well as full as we can make it. So we may have to have them take it away and haul stuff in the truck or get another dumpster, but we'll see. So that's our day. And tomorrow's, who knows what's gonna happen.